Now, I'm a man of simple pleasures, and nothing could be simpler than using a Panasonic Econavi washing machine, thanks to its easy to see and easy to use interface. To make your washing experience as comfortable as possible, Panasonic presents a new WASHNAVI LCD display. It gives you intuitive control over all the washing machine's programs, functions, and indicators like this. But it's not just a treat for the eyes. The Econavi washing machine is a treat for the ears too. That's because of Panasonic's specially engineered silent arch design. Integrated into the sides of the appliance, the silent arch effectively absorbs sounds the machine naturally makes during the washing process, reducing bothersome noise and vibration. In fact, it's been on this whole time.
Panasonic, ideas for life.